Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bonfida. In today's video, I would like to show you this down channel and this rising wedge pattern, and also another pump that I predicted with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal garter setup that Bonfida formed a few days back, 3 days ago. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my recent trade signal of Bonfida that I shared with my members 3 days ago, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal garter pattern that Bonfida formed on 7th of January with US dollar pair. And I told my members that after the completion of this leg, the price line has slightly moved up. Therefore, we can wait for the price line to drop more down or for some price correction, and then we can buy it from this buying zone. And this buying zone was from 31.82 cents and goes to 30.61 cents. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line dropped again down, and then we had a nice pump from this buying zone up to this sell target zone. So far it has rallied more than 11%, and before that I also shared another harmonic bullish reversal garter setup that was formed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, we can see we had another very nice pump that was, by the way, almost 45% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. You can see how beautifully it moved up from this buying zone and rallied in the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this weekly time frame chart. And here we have been watching this down channel, and after leaving this down channel, in my previous video I was showing you another resistance that the price line found, and this resistance was coming all the way from here. We got rejection here, we got another rejection here, and a few more rejections here as well. And finally the price line broke out this resistance as well. And after breaking out this resistance, and by the way, this was the formation of another falling wedge pattern, and after breaking out, you can see that the price line has successfully retested the previous resistance of the wedge as a support, and also this key support that we have here at 28 cents. And you can see previously it has been breaking as a support here, and recently for the past several weeks it is breaking as a support. Now it is gearing up, and in fact this complete zone is a quite strong support and resistance zone that is starting from 28 cents and goes to 35 cents, and now we are struggling to break out this 35 cents resistance. And now if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then here on the 4-hour time frame chart, Bonfida has formed this rising wedge pattern. Now for example, if it will break down, because there is a probability that it may break down because it's a bearish bias pattern, and after the breakdown, our target can be here at the bottom of the wedge, that will be approximately at 28.76 cents. And in that situation, it can test this 28 cents long-term support again. And for example, if we will break out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, then after the breakout, our next move can be here. That will be approximately at 39.22 cents. That is showing us the projection beyond the next resistance of 35 cents as well. And now after breaking out this falling wedge pattern, our target to the upside can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $3.80, and the final target for this Bitget down channel is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.